Morning students, SDM Public School English Medium, Subject English, Class 7, Chapter 1st, 3 Days to See. The story 3 Days to See is written by Helen Keller. She is blind but she knows to live happy and enjoy the life. She feels everything to touch. She said, I want to 3 days for use my eyes and I divide it into 3 parts. First day she wants to see the people whose kindness and companionship have made her life worth living. She said that she knows her friends from the feel of their faces. The second day she shows arise with the dawn and just like the first rays of the sun and wants to see the thrilling miracle by which night is transformed into the day. The third day she will spend the day by return with the world and haunts of men going about the business of life. She said, I stand at the busy corner and looking at the people. Naturally, in those 3 days, she should have seen everything which she wanted to see. At the end of the story, she gives a hint to those who can see. She said, and the same method can be applied to your other senses. Hear the music of voice, the song of a word, the mighty strains of an orchestra, as if you would be stricken deep tomorrow. Touch each object as if tomorrow your tactile sense would fail. Smell the perfume of flowers, taste the release each morsels as you tomorrow you could never smell and taste again. Make the most of every sense, glory in all the factors of pleasure and beauty which the world reveals to you, though the several means of contact which nature provides. But of all the senses, I am sure that sight must be the most delightful. Write down the word meaning in your fair notebook. Quiver, vibration, appreciative, value, pleasure, happiness, sorrow, sad, permanent, perpetual, transformed, change, companion, friend, thrilling, inspire, haunts, places where people spend lot of time, relish, great enjoyment. Answer the following question. What does the writer find through mere touch of things? The writer cannot see, but she feels the delicate symmetry of leaf. She can find hundreds of things to interest through the mere touch. The writer says that it would be a blessing if everyone were struck blind and deaf nice in their life. Why does she say it would be a blessing if everyone were blind and deaf once in their life? The writer says it because darkness make more appreciative of sight and silence would teach him the joys of sound. Question number 3. If writer were given the eyes for just 3 days, then in this period, what does the writer want to do with her eyes? On the first day, writer wants to see the people where kindness and companionship have made my life worth living. The next day she wants to arise with the dawn and see the thrilling miracle by which night is transformed into a day. And the following morning she again greets the dawn, anxious to discover new delight, new revolution of beauty. Question number 4. Why do you think the writer divides her 3 days to see in the way she does? Which of the 3 days do you think she enjoys the most? Answer. The writer divides her 3 days to see to get so much pleasure. She enjoys that day the most when she stands at the busy corner looking people's daily life. Question number 5. What hint does the writer want to give to the people who can see? The writer wants to give one hint to those people who can see. Use your eyes as if tomorrow you would be stricken blind. And the same method can be applied to your other senses.